Looking to upgrade your car's sound without replacing the entire system? The Rockville RM64SP Super Performance Midrange Speaker offers a powerful boost with 60 watts RMS and a peak power of 120 watts. Its 6.5-inch design fits most car doors, delivering crisp, clear audio right where you need it most. What sets this speaker apart is its Kevlar reinforced black pulp cone paired with a high-compression Super SPL flat foam suspension. This combination ensures strong, distortion-free sound even at higher volumes. Plus, the bullet phase plug design enhances vocal clarity, making your music come alive with richer detail. Installation is a breeze thanks to its super slim design and ultra-rigid expanded steel basket. The 1.5-inch high-temperature voice coil and 60-ounce magnet structure provide durability and consistent performance, even under demanding conditions. It fits perfectly in a 5.5-inch cutout with a mounting depth of just 2 inches, ideal for tight door spaces. One user shared their experience replacing a vibrating mid-bass speaker in a Kia K900. They chose Rockville after positive results with an 8-inch subwoofer from the same brand. The RM64SP fit perfectly and delivered great sound, making it a reliable option for targeted upgrades without the hassle of a full component system. The speaker features a dual-cone design that extends the vocal range, giving you fuller sound across genres. With a sensitivity of 102 decibels at 1 watt, 1 meter, it efficiently converts power into clear audio. Wire mesh grills come included to protect the speaker without sacrificing sound quality. Keep in mind, the RM64SP doesn't include wiring, and both terminals are the same size, which might require a bit of attention during installation. Still, its overall build quality and sound performance make it a worthwhile choice for anyone wanting a solid mid-range upgrade. If you want better sound without the expense of replacing your whole system, the Rockville RM64SP is worth a look. It balances power, clarity, and ease of installation in one package, making your music sound better where it counts. Ready to hear the difference a quality mid-range speaker can make? Try the Rockville RM64SP when you're ready to upgrade your car's audio experience with a trusted, proven option.